a response to misinformation and the ongoing suffering in Gambella. It is painful to watch how some voices continue to mislead their own people and the wider population. Instead of telling the truth, the Nyak use, they twist fact and spread narrative that what is really happening on the ground in Gambella. For a year, Nuer civilian, both indigenous people and South Sudanese refugees have suffered violence. These are innocent people. They are not fighters. They are families who live, farm, and seek safety in the region. Yet the truth is often hidden. Some individual and group continue to justify violence by falsely claiming it is about land issue. This narrative is used again and again, even as innocent lives are lost. Violence cannot be justified. These are serious allegations that army groups have been supported to. Block road used by civilian, cut electricity, block water supply going to refugee camp. If these actions are true, they are not acts of protest or self-defense. They are acts that harm vulnerable people, including women, children. Using civilian as pressure tool is wrong under any circumstance. Violence against civilian is not a demand, it is a crime. What makes the situation worse is that even local authorities in Gambella often appear unclear about what these army actors are demanding. Instead of clear political or legal claim, violence against Nuer civilians become the first action. This is a serious question. When killing began before dialogue, it shows that truth is not the goal, fear is. Community members allege that there are organized structures that encourage attack on Nuer civilians. According to this claim, those who commit killing are supported or rewarded by the Nyak in diaspora. If true, this is extremely dangerous. It turned murder into a business and destroyed any chance for peaceful coexistence. No community can build its future by rewarding the killing of another. Another painful reality is how information is reported. When Nuer civilians are killed, media reports often reflect it clearly. But when Nuer people try to defend themselves, a different story is told. Suddenly, misinformation is spread. Suddenly, facts are twisted. Those living in Gambella know the truth. What is spread outside the region often does not match the reality on the ground. Claim that the Nuer community started this violence are not supported by history or record. There is documentation, there are witnesses, there is memory. Memory are there. When Nuer people are attacked and remain silent, no one listens. When they respond to protect their life, they are labeled as the problem. This is not justice, this is distortion. Gambella land is home to many communities. Nuer, Nyak, Majang, Komo, Opo, and Highlanders. And civilian life are respected. No group owns it alone. Peace can only exist when truth is spoken. Spreading misinformation or deepen division, this will create chaos and will create division within the state. Denying suffering only prolong violence, you know that, right? Those who twist the truth must understand that they are not helping their people. They are feeling instability and bloodshed. The people of Gambella deserve truth. Ethiopia deserves truth. The diaspora deserves truth. Killing civilians and lying about it, it is wrong. No cause can justify that.